Aloha everyone, my name is Eric Sturman and I'm the founder of Sturman Aerials. We're out here at Kualoa Park filming with the new Typhoon H with Intel RealSense technology. I've been filming professionally with drones since early 2013, and since then, watching the progression with this technology, I'm really excited to show you what this can do. The amazing thing about the Typhoon H with Intel RealSense technology is that it doesn't just fall short of avoiding an object, but it will intelligently reroute itself around it and continue on its path. The incredible thing about this new technology is that it gets smarter and smarter as you fly it, and while you're flying it, it creates a 3D mapping of its surrounding, and it will remember it. It's so easy to use obstacle avoidance. Just simply flip the switch into the on position. Obstacle avoidance works in both smart and angle mode. If you're in angle mode, you have full control of the Typhoon H, but if RealSense is activated, it will stop you from moving forward into an object that it senses. But you can go up, down, left, and right around the object, just not forward into it. In smart mode, you can really see how RealSense technology works. By selecting Follow Me and turning on RealSense, the Typhoon H will avoid all obstacles while tracking your position and keeping you in the shot.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to set your Bebop 2 for its first flight. First, install the propellers by placing them on the motors. The polarized propellers should help you. Lock the propellers using the supplied mounting tool. Download the Free Flight 3 app for free on your tablet or smartphone. Insert the battery by sliding it forward into the latch located on the back of the battery makes a clicking sound. Press on the on-off button of the Bebop. On your tablet or smartphone, go to Settings and activate Wi-Fi. Then choose the Wi-Fi network of your Bebop 2. Launch the Free Flight 3 app in order to connect your drone. Make sure that your Bebop 2 is updated. If it's not, follow the instructions given by the application. At the end of the update, you will be asked to restart your drone. The rebooting should take about 2 minutes. You'll have to calibrate your drone's magnometer before its first flight. To do so, reproduce the movements shown by the app. You are now ready to take off.
This is Mavic Air 2. You may have some questions, like,
So what's different?
well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry. We've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where FocusTrack comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part. Automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.